Ever heard of XRP and wondered if it's worth your attention? Here's the beginner-friendly scoop. First up, what is XRP? It's a digital coin designed for super fast, low-cost money transfers across the world. Unlike some other coins, you don't have to mine XRP. All tokens already exist, and the network uses energy-saving tech. Ready to get started? Step 1. Do your research. Learn about how XRP works, and remember, the crypto market moves fast and can be risky. Next, you'll need a place to buy XRP. Choose a trustworthy exchange like Coinbase or Kraken and set up your account. Fund it with a bank transfer or card, and you're good to go. Now buy your XRP. Decide how much you want, double-check the fees, and confirm your purchase. Last step, storage. You can keep XRP on the exchange for convenience, use a software wallet for more security, or go for a hardware wallet for top safety. And remember, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Start small, stay curious, and happy investing.